Dennis here with the Dennis Wallin YouTube channel. I'm stranded in the Swedish wilderness, camping without a tent, seeing beautiful lakes and cooking really good food. Follow along for the ride. Oh. So the most simple way I know to set up a hammock is just take the ends like this and just wrap it around. So this is the ends, this is here, a little higher. You just wrap these ends through here and you can strap it like this. And apparently you can do this simple knot, just a double like this. Now it's a ring, you know, up through itself. And that should be sturdy, then you can hang the hammock right on here. Okay, I think that's a little tight, no? Yeah, holds my weight. Yeah, seems to work. Okay then. Ooh, this is very good to make a fire. It's starting to rain. Fuck. I was not prepared for this at all. Yeah, it's just drizzling a little bit now, but if it starts pouring like crazy, I can't do shit. I have no idea what I'm doing. What the fuck is this? Oh shit! Fuck. All my things are getting wet. My sleeping bag. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know how to set up a tarp, so this is really hard. I'm looking with YouTube videos, but I don't really understand, so... And it's raining. Huh? Oh fuck. This is not good. I need to hide under the tarp. Everything's getting wet. Oh, I hope this passes. Otherwise I'm just fucked. Yeah. This is not what I thought this day was gonna go. It was just sunny on the forecast. Oh, this is just soaked. I do not know what grandma looking tarp this is, but yeah. Okay, I think I got it, but I don't think this is how you're supposed to do it. Honestly, that I have to do. Like, I don't know, I gotta go watch YouTube videos when I get home or something. Let's just survive the night. Let's hope this burns, even though it's soaked. A little taco. Round number 2. All right, I'm gonna eat up, clean up, and then get to bed. But the fire is still going. I feel okay. Okay, I'm in the mosquito net thing here. Feels quite warm. but maybe the night will be colder. I have double sleeping mat too, so my back is not super cold. It's gonna rain tonight too, so we'll see how the tarp will hold. But yeah, I'll try to sleep, see if someone kills me, if someone finds this, yeah. And if a bear eats me, yeah. Yeah. Good morning. I'm totally wet. I don't know why I always get wet when I sleep outside. Maybe because I have the clothes on, but shouldn't get wet. And yeah, this tarp made it, but it made this sound all night long. Yeah, calm down, calm down. Why so much wind, man? Oh. What the fuck happened last night? This shirt is totally soaked from yesterday, so I'm just gonna put it here in the sun, try to dry it out. So the wind has right now 11 meters per second in like wind gusts. So this is why I couldn't sleep last night. Up. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Stop right there. I don't think you should really do this, but I'm just putting them right down here. I can't be bothered at this point. What the hell, man? I was gonna have a nice morning, make a fire, some breakfast, maybe swim in the lake. But no, I'm not gonna swim in this shit when it's like, it feels like 5 degrees with this wind. What the fuck? Sorry, the outdoor boys don't say things like this, but he's the man, you know? I'm not the man. I'm not ready for this shit. Come on, man. Where's the snakes at, bro? I left my pan here yesterday and my things so the bears wouldn't come and take me. Ooh. And I try to go like 200 meters from my camp, or apparently you should put your food there like 200 meters away, or if you're scared of wild animals, not just bears. I don't think it's an issue here though, because I'm pretty close to civilization. Also in the old days, I think the Iron Age, this was a house. I don't know any history about the house, but still pretty cool. I also left the rest of my food here. Ah, yes. Perfect. The wind was so much better over there, so I'm gonna get my bags and then leave this little cliff, because over here it's just unbearable. It's better to take it easy and eat some breakfast where the wind is cool. Oh, I think there's an old train coming through here. Well, I do not know why it's honking so much, because I don't think anyone is on the railroads. Whatever, let's eat some breakfast. Oh, whoo. Whoo. Well, it's not warm. So for breakfast we have some peanuts and stuff, nachos from yesterday, and then some apple cake. To chug it down, we got this soda. Oh, that's good. It's called Vida Blåtira, and it's now in can. It's also, there's a zero version. It's really good. From Sweden. I'm just gonna dig in on the apple cake here. Oh. Now the whole journey is worth it. Holy shit. All right, I got up on the main road right now and I'm heading home. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. Now the outdoor boys are gone. I'm not the outdoor boys, but he's my idol and I love to do videos like him. So comment down below if you like them too. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.